Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. Are you bored of the same old motorcycles that look like everyone else's? Do you want to ride a bike that has a distinctive and radical style, but also delivers on performance and comfort? If you answered yes to these questions, then you might want to take a look at the Honda Fury 2023. This bike is not your typical chopper motorcycle. It is one of the most authentic and radically custom-styled motorcycles that Honda has ever produced. It will make you stand out from the crowd and turn heads wherever you go. The Honda Fury 2023 has a sleek and elegant design that is sure to impress. It features a teardrop seamless fuel tank that flows smoothly into the seat. It has an ingenious single-shock rear suspension system that gives the bike a clean and uncluttered look. It also has an aluminum swing arm that adds to the lightness and agility of the bike. The raked front end and the attention to detail make this bike a real masterpiece of craftsmanship. The Honda Fury 2023 is not just about looks. It also has a powerful and smooth engine that will give you a thrilling ride every time. The bike is powered by a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine with a single-pin crankshaft and dual balancers. This engine delivers plenty of torque from idle to redline and has the feel only a V-twin can deliver. The fuel injection system ensures smooth and responsive throttle control, while the shaft final drive is quiet, clean, and integrated into the overall design. The Honda Fury 2023 also offers a comfortable riding experience thanks to its low seat height, wide handlebars, and forward-mounted footpegs. The seat is slim and long, fitting in behind the fuel tank. The handlebars are swept back for a relaxed riding position. The footpegs are positioned forward for a stretched-out feel. The bike also has a spacious passenger seat and pegs for your companion. The Honda Fury 2023 comes in a stunning pearl yellow color that will make you shine like the sun. This color is exclusive to this model and will make you feel like a star. The bike also has chrome accents on the wheels, exhaust, and engine that add to its beauty and elegance. The Honda Fury 2023 is not only a great bike to ride, but also a great bike to own. It has a high-quality build and reliable performance that you can expect from a Honda. It also has low maintenance costs and high resale value. You can enjoy this bike for years without worrying about any problems or issues. The Honda Fury 2023 is a great choice for anyone who wants a chopper motorcycle that runs, handles, and rides like a Honda, but has a unique and eye-catching look. This bike is sure to turn heads wherever you go and give you a thrilling ride every time. If you are interested in this bike, you should visit your nearest Honda dealer and take it for a test ride today. The base MSRP for the Honda Fury 2023 is $11,499 plus destination charge and freight surcharge. This price may vary by region, so you should check with your local dealer for the best deals near you. The Honda Fury 2023 is worth every penny, as it will give you an unforgettable riding experience and make you feel like a king or queen on the road. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.